Okay. Hi, my name is Isabella Sanchez and I'm here with my brother Isaiah. And right now we're in La Colonia Park looking at the murals here, where it's well known for being created by local artists in the community. La Colonia is filled with murals that remind people in the community of their Latinx culture and where their roots are, instead of the normal negative stereotypes of violence. Each mural is filled with history and brings people together by looking at what the local artists have created. These murals are decades old. However, local artists have the opportunity to repaint the murals so the artistic representation won't fade. The goal of these murals is to educate, motivate, and inform the youth and show them that there is something out there for them. And right here we have a computer that says, "We want higher education, we need Chicano studies." I think it just really shows that we need to learn more about the Chicano community and how it's not really shown in our history classes when we take them. So thank you so much for listening. Please like and subscribe, and please watch the rest of the radical walking tours as well. Thank you.